welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for all the love and support that you've showed me in the previous two videos. It was such an overwhelming experience. If you've seen my previous two videos and wondering where did my hair go, well, this is just the part of the lockdown experiment, and to add on, those two videos were shot long back. So let's dive into the video. By the title you've already guessed what it's about, so let's dive into it. This is a time maker series, so I'll be sharing a lot of tips and tricks on how to manage time easily, and all of them are tried and tested methods which I personally use in my daily life. Okay, so let's see.
काम 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 अरे कितना काम है, कहाँ से शुरू करूँ?
This is your mind voice every day, right? So, every morning when we wake up, we are so worried about all the pending tasks. Every corner we see, we can see that there's a pending task, right? So it's kind of overwhelming, it's pressurizing, it's depressing also sometimes. You don't know where to start from. And every day you start thinking about it and end thinking about it, but just don't do anything about it. So today we are going to fix it. I have been trying out method that's working well for me. Trust me, it works 100% smooth like butter. But this method, I call it as 8 tasks. That's it, and it works very well for me. It's a tried and tested method. I have been doing it personally and it works well. So let me show you quickly what is it all about. For that, I'm using the back of my diary over here, and I'll be sticking out all of my 8 tasks using a blue tack. So over here, the one that you see is a blue tack. Okay, so this is a blue tack. So you can use a clay or you can use double-sided tape if you want. But the problem with double-sided tape is you need to keep on changing those on time again and again. So clay and blue tack will work perfectly fine. Okay, now let us quickly list down all the 8 major tasks for the day. So I already have some one-sided used papers. Please don't go and empty the stationery stores. Use all the papers that you already have. So let me quickly tear it. So it's not possible to sit and tear every day. It will just consume a lot of time. So what I've done is I've already bagged a few papers. I've already torn a lot of papers and bagged them. So let me quickly list down all the tasks for the day. So I've listed down 8 tasks like preparing dinner, breakfast, lunch, cleaning, preparing for lessons. So this comprises of both my household task and my workplace task. So once the major tasks are defined, you are at ease because in your head you know what you have to do. You're clearly aware of what needs to be done. The 8 is a number which is not too much or it's not too less. So it makes it much easier for us to do. You can change the number as per your wish, but try keeping it minimal. Once the tasks are done, trust me, the process of removing this itself is so rewarding. You need not require any external reward. So once your task is done, for example, if you're finished preparing for breakfast, you can just remove it from here very easily, and then that's it. And then voila, you're done for the day. So if you're not a diary person like me, then you can also put it on your fridge. Even this makes it quite easier. So if this video reaches more than 100 likes, I'll continue with this series, and hope to see you soon in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye.